Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Chrissy from Inspired Living with Chrissy and Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry. And the collaboration is called Something for All Seasons. And I have participated in all of them up until now. And this is the fall one, so I'm participating again. And I am super excited to be doing this again. I will be working on my fireplace. I will be decorating my fireplace for fall in my family room. Last week, well, at the beginning of this week, I had posted clean and decorate in my living room, which I decorated a different fireplace and the whole room. But this time I am only decorating the fireplace, creating a little bit of a vignette, fall vignette on it. And yeah, so there will be a playlist down below. I will leave Chrissy's and Sherry's channels linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you check all the channels out. I'm sure it's gonna be a fun collab. There might be home tours, there might be tablescapes, all sorts of different hauls, fall hauls, so make sure you check out the playlist. So here is the fireplace I will be working on. It is a 63 inches wide, so it's quite the large fireplace mantle for my work surface, I guess. But what I like to do is I like to remove everything and start with a clean slate.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
And again, I don't have a solid plan as to what I wanted what I'm exactly going to be doing. I have an idea of what I want it kind of to look like, so I just have to play around with it until I achieve that look.
Here we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy.
So I changed some stuff around. I'm still not happy with it, so I'm just going to be playing around with it.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents letting go.
So here it is, all finished. I do like it quite a bit. I just wish I had something more taller on each side. If I find something, I might add it before the home tour, but for now this is how it's going to look. I have a little 3-tier tray over here that I was trying to kind of tie in with all this, the rest of the stuff here. So let me just go through it. Most of my decor is thrifted, HomeSense or dollar store or DIY. So I'm going to go over it and let you know what each item is. So I just have books. They're just random books that I have read, and I took the covers off, and if I like the way they looked, I use them for decor. This is from Dollarama, and I just added some chalk paint to it. Dollar Tree. All the florals are either from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I had made this sign as part of my DIYs that I was sharing last week, I think. So I will link it up in a corner. These pumpkins are from Dollarama. This is from, I thrifted these two, and I'm so happy that I finally found somewhere to put them. I think they were $2.50 for both of them, $2.50. This is a paper mache pumpkin that I dressed with thrifted material. I have paid $2.75 for this material and gotten 2 pillows, a large pumpkin, and 2 small pumpkins, and a home sign from it. So really good deal. This one and this is from HomeSense. I shared that in my fall haul. That's from Dollar Tree. Ouch. HomeSense. There's another candelabra. Dollarama, dollar store. That's actually from Michael's. More books and Dollar Tree. So like I said, I do love the way it turned out. Maybe just need a bit more height on each side, but for now this is the way it's going to look. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And I would like to thank Chrissy and Sherry for hosting this fun collab that I have enjoyed quite a bit to participate in. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you're not subscribed, I hope you're considering subscribing to my channel. There will be more, there's a home tour coming up and a whole bunch of other collaborations with other YouTubers. So make sure you have the notification bell on so you don't miss out any of those videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.